Hi, this is Harry for Super Tech Guru and I am going to review this brushless motor DeWalt impact driver, which is this impact driver is 20 volt max XR series impact driver. See, it is with the brushless motor, very powerful motor, and the grip is very good. I can see this is, and here is a belt hook, and here is a lock too. See, if I want to lock, just put it center. Now it is, the trigger is locked. To unlock, just push it sideways, and here is my DeWalt 20V XR battery. Like this, I install my battery on this impact driver. See, it is now ready, and here are 3 flashes. So during night time, I use these flashes to flashlights to complete my task. See, this is really good, and here is a 3 different gear sets, so I can increase or decrease the speed of this impact driver. See, and here is on the handle, this is rubber coating, so it doesn't slip from my hand, and see, very good grip I can hold. See, this is very powerful impact driver, and this is my charger with whom I recharge my battery. See, and very easy to install battery and very easy to remove battery. See, very good. This is really good impact driver. I like it, and I recommend this impact driver toolkit. I recommend it.